Most people think brass instruments are entirely made of metal, but this ancient Chinese horn is primarily engineered from one of the densest woods on Earth. This is the meticulous construction of a suona, a double-reed wind instrument known for its piercing, unmistakable sound. It begins with purple sandalwood. This wood is so dense it actually sinks in water, making it perfect for acoustic engineering. The artisan then maps and drills the finger holes, carefully calculating the distance between each to ensure perfect pitch. But a wooden tube alone cannot project sound over long distances. It needs an amplifier. The artisan cuts a flat sheet of brass, hammering it around a wooden mold to create a conical bell. To join the seam, she uses traditional silver soldering. The brass is heated with a blowtorch until the silver alloy melts, flowing into the microgaps and creating an airtight, structurally solid bond. After hours of hammering the brass to temper and harden the metal, the bell is polished and fitted to the base of the wooden body. Finally, the most delicate component is added, a tiny reed made from dried river grass tied to a copper mouthpiece. When the musician blows into the reed, it vibrates the air column inside the cauterized wooden bore, and the hammered brass bell amplifies that vibration into a sound that can carry for miles across a valley.